the first few questions kind of dealt with your pre-study. So if you weren't as familiar with your pre-study, the first few questions might have given you a little bit of trouble. Of course, as you got into it though, hopefully they started looking a little bit more and more familiar to try and give you an idea as to what we're dealing with. So let's go ahead and start in with question number 1. It states, which of the following represents the consideration of the insured in the purchase of a property insurance policy? When you're dealing with this term, consideration, I want you to think of one other word, and that's the word value, right? What is being exchanged of value on behalf of the insured? Of course, it's their premium, right? How much they pay is their premium. Now, of course, is part of the consideration the coverage? It is, but it's asking only about the consideration of the insured here, right? Which of course is just the premium, okay? Number 2, the grace period in property and casualty policies is how long?
60 days.
60 days.
There is no grace period in property and casualty policies. Grace periods basically are what an insurance company would put into play that says if you miss out on your premium payment, they don't change anything, right? They will continue your coverage for a period number of days. That's not what happens here. Okay, remember, all the 10 days had to deal with was if you didn't pay your premium on time, that's how many days notice they were giving you to cancel you out, right? So there is no grace period. You miss your premium payment even once, they give you 10 days notice and you're done. That's how
I did
quickly
get
it
it
can
right,
happen.
I just answered wrong.
Sure, Diane, sure, that's what they all say.
I should've.
Number 3, the insurance code prohibits defamation. You do need to know what the term defamation is. What is definition? The definition of defamation means an agent cannot do what?
Make false or malicious statements.
Yeah, that's defaming the other insurance company, right? You're painting them in a bad light to make your company look better. Okay, you cannot do that. That's defamation. Number 4, a material stipulation that's in a policy. That's the 3 key words to this whole question. If it's in a policy,